Welcome to our comparison of two powerful Intel processors, the Core i5-12600K and the Core i9-13900K. Today, we will dive into their specifications, performance, and value for money. Whether you're a gamer or a content creator, understanding these differences will help you make an informed decision. The Intel Core i5-12600K is priced at $311, making it a budget-friendly option for gamers and general users. In contrast, the Intel Core i9-13900K comes with a significantly higher price tag of $629, reflecting its status as a high-end processor designed for demanding tasks. When it comes to core count, the i5-12600K features 10 cores, consisting of 6 performance cores and 4 efficient cores. On the other hand, the i9-13900K boasts an impressive 24 cores, with 8 performance cores and 16 efficient cores, making it ideal for multi-threaded workloads and heavy multitasking. The Intel Core i5-12600K does not come with integrated graphics, meaning users will need a dedicated graphics card for any visual output. In contrast, the i9-13900K includes Intel UHD Graphics 770, providing flexibility for users who may not have a dedicated GPU, although a dedicated card is still recommended for optimal performance. In conclusion, the Intel Core i5-12600K offers great value for budget-conscious users, while the Intel Core i9-13900K stands out for those seeking top-tier performance. Choose wisely based on your needs and budget. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.